Hi guys, today we are visiting BOURTON on the Water, a village in the rural Cotswold area of south central England. BOURTON on the Water at the heart of the Cotswolds is famed for its five stone bridges, built between 1654 and 1911. The bridges are constructed from local Cotswold stone and give the village its byname of Venice of the Cotswolds. BOURTON on the Water is a popular destination with gently flowing river Windrush running through the center of the village and crossed by attractive little low bridges. BOURTON can be really busy, especially at weekends and bank holidays during the summer. One more thing guys, especially for the people who only eat halal food, my advice to bring your food from home, because BOURTON is a small village and it is very difficult to find halal food here. Parking is not very expensive, just £5 a day. So visit with your family or your friends. It's a nice place to spend a day. The main attractions of BOURTON are the Model Village, Bursland Park, Motoring Museum, Greystones Nature Reserve. If you are traveling from Birmingham, Coventry or Warwick, it's around 45 to 50 minutes drive from there. And if you are traveling from London, it is around hour and 20 minutes drive on M6. Except the halal food guys, you can find drinks, food, vegetarian foods, restaurants, pubs, ice cream parlor, drinks, all types of drinks, including alcohol and non-alcohol. It's a nice place to visit, so I suggest come with your family, visit BOURTON on Water and enjoy the day. Thank you, and just keep watching my videos on QQI TV, my travel log, and please subscribe my channel QQI TV, like it, share it, and don't forget to press the bell icon button. Thank you very much.
Thank you.